In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a double cap rivet. First thing you do is punch your holes. Make sure they're about 1.5 inches apart. Take your rivet, put it through your strapping. Here I'm using leather. Flip it over and then secure it with the cap. The cap will kind of snap into place, but that's not going to stay. It just holds it in place for when you go to set the rivet. So if you just have regular stuff at home, use a cloth rag just to protect it and a pair of pliers, and then just give it a good squeeze to set the rivet. This rivet I pushed really hard. You can see I have an indent, but it's not going anywhere. So your rivet is good. It will stay. It's all good.